The chairman of the Joint Action Committee of Meghalaya Commercial Vehicles, through the media, has urged all sensible and responsible citizens of the state, members of the public, to unanimously join hands with them as the hike of petrol price does not affect only the taxi drivers but every single member of the society whose hard-earned salaries being affected by the daylight robbery committed by the government in the guise of taxes. He further calls upon the members of various non-governmental organizations, pressure groups and community development groups to participate in the sit-in demonstration to be held on Monday at 1 p.m. from Yodo to Additional Secretariat. At such a point when the agitation is gaining more momentum and looking to tip over, the government's apparent apathy is bewildering and suspicious. The chairman of the Joint Action Committee of Meghalaya Commercial Vehicles has called for a viable solution to the issue and states that the government's silence is unacceptable.
Kibakin pelong ke meeting ke jongki dan kata kanjar rally ha kapor sibaji han kin sedang nang tena pok mat pram te kata long nagaliang ke jongi ngidi bani ai kamens ketiga diang haba maki ki ai ye ka ketiga diang yang ngi unjo te hak singi ba ar pa mo kata kadi hasining kong kata kadi karali te nang tade haka khandai tarik pak ngani thu epi ngimban se nagaliang jongi kumka seng ngin kintu ya baro ki present secretary jong district bafair makin yelik song sit on demonstration haman la district ke jongki hakmat jong ka office ka bahek do apo ka district ke jongki bat nagaliang ke jongi ru ngin lik song hangte apo secretariat additional secretariat ha ka por sibji no phaisngi te kan long ke ek berhenti nado namo korwat Longstone Mairang Penusla Sora nang tare West Jantia East Jantia kin pelong yang laki jong ki program singi ki